How about some modern muscle here at Unique Specialty and Classics? One for the Mopar fans, 2022 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat. And listen to this, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual mile car, 11,389 is all. That's right, just a little over 11,000 miles. Love this color. Octane red. It's basically a very, very deep wine color. Nice shine to it. Does have the satin black. Painted hood. Let's take a look at this front fascia. Of course, a 6.2 liter supercharged Hemi underneath the hood. That's paired up with the 8-speed automatic transmission in this one. Look at that chin spoiler. And best of all, no front license plate bracket has been screwed into that bumper. Got to appreciate that, of course. Nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC. All right, still pictures. So you can see this car from every angle. Undersides, interior, engine bay, trunk. Those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Good-looking satin black wheels. Pirelli P0s are wrapped around those wheels. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. This car is what you'd expect with 11,000 miles, and it's well maintained and cared for. It definitely shows. No major nicks, dings, scratches. Should still have the remainder of the factory warranty too, being it's only a 2022. All right, if you want to know exactly how this car is equipped, I can tell you some of the optional equipment that's on it. It does have the Plus package, the SRT Black package, the Technology Group, the Carbon Suede Interior package, Driver's Convenience Group. It does have Harman Kardon Audio, power sunroof was added, and the Uconnect nav with 8.4-inch touchscreen. So we get a good look at the rear of the car, the spoiler, backup camera. And once again, all the still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. Technician that looked at this car in our service department said it checked out basically just like a new car. And again, up and down the driver's side, no major nicks, dings, scratches. Tell you what, if you like this modern muscle or you're just into Mopars, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. And when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. You'll notice the tinted side glass and rear window. Know your local and state laws as far as the percentage of window tint that you can have. Let's take a look at this interior. So it is the leather and suede Napa leather interior with, of course, the Hellcat logo in the headrest. Power windows, power mirrors, power locks, all your modern amenities, power seats. There's what I'm talking about. SRT embroidered in the backrest. Nice formed floor mats. There's your exact miles, 11,389 at the moment. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Of course, all your modern amenities that you're going to have on a late model car and all the standard equipment that you're going to get on a Hellcat. Looks like the key fob could use a new battery. Of course, everything functions as it should on the interior. No service engine lights, check engine soon, anything like that. Again, power sunroof. We'll take a peek underneath the hood. Jason's going to take it for a quick drive too. Let's listen. Just a menacing exhaust note on these. Good sounding car. one-handed. All right. Underside of the hood, you can tell this thing hasn't been driven in inclement weather. Cold air intake that is actually functioning on that hood. There it is, that supercharged Hemi. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. I've not noticed any modifications on this car. And what a great color, octane red. Beautiful. And low miles. Clean Carfax. There you go, everything you'd want. 2022 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat. Want some horsepower? Here it is. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the still pics. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a 2022 Dodge Challenger Hellcat. This is an automatic right here on the center console, or you can bump shift it with manual mode on that shifter. There's also paddle shifting capability. All the goodies. Loaded up with all the modern amenities as well. A good sounding stereo. Digital gauges in the middle, and also some needle gauges, so you can see your speedometer in large text, or the old school way with a needle and dial. And we're quickly into the speeding zone. Plenty of power, as much as you can handle, as much as the tires can handle, and a great sound coming out of this car. All the comforts of a modern vehicle, great seats, power adjustability, nice fat steering wheel, all the controls on the steering. You probably know a lot about a Hellcat. It's famous for being fast, and this one is no different. Now our temperature gauge is almost halfway up the gauge. The fuel gauge shows full. Those are digital in the middle screen. Brakes nice and smooth. This car has low miles. Looking good with that flat black hood. Definitely a throwback to the muscle cars of the old era. The classic era. Corners very well. You really just want to keep on it. I wonder how fast this thing would go. Check out all the pictures of this Hellcat at uniqueclassiccars.com.